Because it's Gigi's and it's dirty. Yuck.
Throw it. Can you throw it?
Can you throw it? Can you throw it? Good job.
Nicely done.
Oh, she loves it.
Get it, Marco. Get the ball. Okay, now throw it. Throw it. Throw it.
Oh, here's another shoe.
Oh my god, how adorable.
Get the ball, Marco. There you go. Get it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Use both hands, Marco. Use both hands.
You're stronger than Gigi.
You can do this, Marco. You can do this.
No, don't give up. Don't give up. Oh. Don't give up, Marco. Get the ball. Get the ball. Marco, get the ball. Get the ball.
Here, Marco, here. Here you go. Just throw it real far.
Throw it. Throw it.
Good job.
Get the ball.
I can't believe they need all that plowing done out there.
I know.
Man. Yeah, they're.
A lot out there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, they did the driveway for you to get in, didn't they?
No.
Maybe they charge by the hour. They're just like, you know, touring around and around, even though they're done.
Do that?
Oh, dude.
You with your shoe on, huh?